Recently, we completed the production of 2 oil/gas steam boilers specifically designed for ice cream factory at EPCB Boiler's facility. Before shipment, we conducted a thorough quality inspection of the boilers, checking everything from internal structures to external components to ensure that every detail meets the highest industry standards. To ensure the boilers remain safe and undamaged during transportation, we implemented multiple layers of protection, including reinforced frames and shock-proof packaging materials. Every step reflects our comprehensive consideration for the safety of our customers' equipment. Workers carefully used overhead cranes and forklifts to place the boilers onto transport trucks. EPCB boilers provide the food industry with efficient, reliable, and environmentally friendly heating solutions, helping to optimize production processes, improve energy efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure a safe and sustainable production environment. From production to delivery, every step is filled with a sense of responsibility. Today, these 2 oil/gas steam boilers are ready to be shipped to the ice cream factory. We will continue to support our customers every step of the way, providing strong support for their production. Choosing EPCB means choosing professionalism and reliability. Thank you for your trust. We will continue to ensure the safety of your production with a meticulous approach.